Our today's topic is graph of a linear equation. Let us take a linear equation. Suppose x plus 3y is equal to 6 is a linear equation. We have to represent it graphically. For it, we will convert it as like this equation: x is equal to 6 minus 3y, and then plot a table as like this. Put different values of y. You can put any value, but usually we should put the value of this variable such that we can get the value of x and y both as integer, and it is easy to show on graph paper. That's why we use the integers. I am putting here the value of y is 0, then the value of x will be 6. Again, put the value of y is 2, then the value of x will be 0. X is equal to 6 minus 3 into 2. This is equal to 6 minus 6, and this is equal to 0. Put the value of y is equal to 1. X is equal to 6 minus 3 into y. Y means 1. 6 minus 3, and this is equal to 3. And we get here 3 points as A 6 0, B 0 2, and C 3 1. You get here 3 points 6 0, 0 2, and 3 1. We have to plot this point first. Plot a Cartesian plane to show these points. It is origin. Now plot the point 6 0. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will lie on x-axis. This point is A, that is 6 0. Second point 0 2. On x-axis 0 and then y-axis 2. This point is point B, 0 2. Third point C, 3 1. 1 2 3 and 1. This point is C point, 3 1. Make a straight line which passes through A, B, C, and this is graphical representation of the equation x plus 3y is equal to 6. It is x dash, o, y dash. Dear students, each and every point of this line will satisfy this equation. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have to plot the equation 4x is equal to y. It is linear equation in two variables. Then find out some points to plot it. Put the value of y is equal to 0. Then value of x will be 0. It means that this line will pass through the origin. There is one another point to note that any linear equation which have not any constant term, then that line will be passes through the origin. Here C is not present in this equation. The standard form of equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I am saying about this constant term. If it is absent, it is 0, then the line or that linear equation after plotting that will pass through origin. Put the value of y is equal to 4, then the value of x will be 1. Value of y is minus 4, then the value of x will be 4x is equal to minus 4. When x is equal to minus 4 upon 4 and this is equal to minus 1, the value will be minus 1. We have 3 points and we can easily plot this line on Cartesian plane. It is our axis x dash, y dash, it is origin. First point 0 0 0 0 is here, highlight it. Second point 1 4 1 and 1 2 3 4. This one is 1 4, and third point is minus 1. It is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This one will be minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4. We have 3 points. Put a scale and join this point. It will be as like this. You can clearly see that this line is passes through origin. This is the graphical representation of 4x minus y. Let us solve exercise 4.3. First question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in 2 variables. First equation, x plus y is equal to 4. Second, x minus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3x. And fourth, 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Dear students, you can easily plot these lines on graph paper. Second question is, give the equations of 2 lines passing through 214. Means you have a point and that point is 214. Suppose it is here. How many lines can you draw passing through this point? If you have a point, then infinitely many lines you can draw from it, which will be passes through that point. For example, it is a point and we can draw infinitely many lines which passes through this point. We can draw a lot of lines which passes through this point. Out of them, 2 examples, 2 equations we have to give. You can easily say that the sum of x and y is equal to 16. Difference of x and y is equal to 2 minus 14 is equal to minus 12. You can take 7 into 2, 14, and y is equal to 14 is equal to 0. Or you can take 14x minus y is equal to 14. Let us prove it. 14 into 2 minus 14 is equal to 14. It satisfies this equation. These 4 examples are passes through the point 214. And you can write infinitely many equations. Third question is, if the point 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Given point is 3, 4. So you can say the line 3y is equal to ax plus 7 is passes through the point 3, 4. It means it will satisfy the value of x 3 and value of y 4. When we put the value of x and y 3 and 4, we will satisfy this equation. So put these values of x and y in this equation. You will get 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 by 3. It is our required solution. In question number 5, there are 2 figures. We have to find out the equation of these lines. Here is given this line is passes through origin. It means the constant term will be 0. And next it passes through point minus 1, 1 and again 1 minus 1. So you can say if x is equal to minus y, then it will satisfy this equation. Also it can be written as x plus y is equal to 0. Put the value of x and y by which it passes through. You will get that this equation satisfies this line. So it is linear equation which represent this line. So option number 2 is correct. In figure 4.7, this is the line. It passes through 0, 2 and 2, 0. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2. And when y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. What will be equation of the line? Equation should be x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2. Or x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, it can be represented as y is equal to minus x plus 2. So it is our correct option. Option number 3 is correct. Remaining 3 questions we will solve in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.